Good morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just on my way to school. That poly system that I showed you in the last video, yes, there are videos that come before each video that I show you. So anyway, I just get a lot of comments from people who think that this is the only video. It's not a sort of series or a sequence. It is. Anyway, in the last video, my poly was lifting at the front after about 5 days. I just peeled it back, pulled some of the glue off, re-glued it, and put down fresh in it. And it's perfect again now. My hairdo is obviously not perfect, but it's better than usual. I brushed it and put muck in it, and then put hairspray in it. So that should last me throughout the day here. I've taken a different route, which is route. And this traffic's just attacking me from every direction. Anyway, I just want to show you that my front hairline has massively improved, even though I just did the fix. So not much more to say about that. The V-loops, just running my fingers through my hair, it's a constant problem that the V-loop hairs are going to keep coming out until I find a way to clamp it in and not let the V-loops escape. I am considering going back to lace because of that reason, even though poly kind of seems to stick down better and hide the glue. It's a major breakthrough. That's all. I haven't decided yet.